All right, so we had a wobble in my previous video. My solution is to run a cut right along there, not all the way through, but enough so I can find the high spot and hammer on it. So now I've got a feeler gauge here, and while we do have some travel, it's not much. It's maybe 5, maybe 6 mils tops, where it was almost 25. That, if I watch across the deal there, that is straight enough for me to run my plasma cutter on a little wheel and cut the rim right there. So I'm much happier with that. I'm not going to mess with it anymore, and I'm just going to weld that puppy right there.